Welcome back to Generate.net. In this video, I'm going to be releasing a brand new tool, which is a T-shirt designer tool. It's an AI tool which will create your designs for your T-shirts very simply. Over here are two designs you can see that I created using AI with this tool. So for example, all I typed in the search box here is bird, and then this is the T-shirt design tool, and so these are the results, some of the results that I got. So without further ado, let's jump into the app and see how it works. So here I am inside the T-shirt designer tool of Generate.net. All you need to do is type in what you need to draw, and then you'll watch the magic happen. So if I write, for example, dog, let's just say dog for this example, and then type and click on generate. And then all of a sudden you'll note that the design that's created for the t-shirt is very artistic. And the amazing thing about this specific app is that the results are unbelievable. Watch this. So here's the first result. As you can see, it's absolutely incredible. Like, it's like unique, something you've never seen before. Let's make a couple more of these. Just click generate a few times here. Now let's wait for these images to be created by our AI. So as you can see, this is absolutely unbelievable. I would literally wear a shirt with this, even though I'm not a dog lover. So as you can see, they're all different and very, very, very unique. And that's what makes this tool so special and so recommended. And it only costs 1 credit to create any of these images. So let's try something different just for the fun of it. Rabbit. So as you can see, there's a rabbit over here. Let's click in and see exactly what this image is all about. I just want to see it in big format over here, because the prompt here is supposed to create also a quote for this image. So here is the close-up image, as you can see right here. Let's zoom in. So it's very, very well done. That's amazing. I can see myself wearing that. I think that's amazing. All right, that concludes the t-shirt generator. I could probably spend all day playing with this tool because it's just so amazing. So let's just finish up with just a few more examples, because I know that's probably what people like in this video. So just click a few more times here and just generate a few more rabbits, and then we'll conclude this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. But just to let you know who we are while we're waiting, we are Generate.net. We create AI tools. And if you click on these buttons here, you'll note that we have tons of different AI tools which will create images for you just by typing in what you need in this box. And here are the results for the rabbits. As you can see, extremely, extremely artistic, and will sell easily. You can make a bunch of money with this. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.